Today is March 14th, 2014, and today's Moonbeam Minute is the sound of the fire. I was sitting quietly in the dark next to a beautiful fire in a fireplace as the almost full moon was lighting up the tree branches outside. A beautiful meditation with a friend. And I just was listening to the sound of the fire, how it was crackling on the surface, but that there is a sound, a sort of low humming sound that is coming from the power of the fire, just like actually hearing the sound, the energy that is being moved and generated from that flaming mass of wood and ashes and embers.